Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create your AWS account for the free tier and for the practical purpose. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step approach, step-by-step things, what all those things you have to require, how to fill it, and what all those things going to be happen. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for daily such updates. So now how you are going to redirect to this particular link I will be providing into the description section. You can just quickly go here, or otherwise you can just search for the creating your free AWS account, free tier AWS account. And once you create on this particular create your free account, you will be redirecting to the same console sign up part. Here you have to provide your with your email address and you have to provide it with your account name. So let me just quickly try give my email address, account name, and let me just quickly verify, and let's look into the second step. After your email has been verified, now you have to provide with your root password and you have to just confirm the password. So this will the first of all the step will be complete. So let me just quickly give my root passwords and let's quickly complete our step number one. My first step has been done. I have set up my email and I have provided the root passwords also. Now, the second step comes what kind of account you want. So you are working as a for the business, so you can choose your business, but we are looking for the professional personal only. So for my own project for the personal use. So you can just write with your name, what all those things you just required over here. You have to provide your country code as India and phone numbers, country region India. You have to provide your address, you have to provide with your cities, you have to provide with the state postal codes, and once you are done with this, you have to just tick mark and you have to agree and with the continuous part. So let me quickly fill out this particular information and let's quickly complete this step number two. Now, once you are done with all the informations, all your things, now comes under that is a billing information. So many of you are like how this will cost us, this will directly deduct our money. So don't worry guys, you have to just provide with your card details over here and it will deduct something around less than $1, like something around 1 to 2 rupees only. So don't worry about it, that will be also sometimes refunded. So you have to provide with your debit card and the credit card, but the card should be a Visa, Rupee Pay, American Express and MasterCard. The expiration date, security codes, card hold numbers, and you have to provide each and everything over here. Okay, if you have your PAN cards, you have to provide with your PAN cards also, and you have to just confirm. So let me just quickly fill all those things, and let me see you into the next step. I fill out my all the informations. Don't have you have PAN cards. I also have, but for right now, don't give your provide your PAN cards. Just quickly verify and the continue part. Now, once you are done with your all the account verification payment done, $2 to pay is cut down. You have to just select your like what are the things you need for the personal use, and ownership will be like you want nothing but the individuals. You have to provide it with your PAN cards, you have to provide with your other details, you have to provide your birth dates, PAN cards, and you have to provide with your names, and you have to also upload the things. Now if you go to the like not individual companies part, you have to provide the key manager purpose for their things. So you have to provide something with the individual identities over here. Once you are done, let me quickly show you what next. Now, for the step is also been done. I have been verified with the PAN card details and each and everything. You have to just provide your verifications part where you have can want to verifications. Okay, so now let me just quickly enter my number and let me quickly provide with my phone number so I can just quickly verify. Wait and once you are verified with your phone numbers, now the last step comes is like what you want to support. You want developers plan, you want business plan, but we want basics free power where we are going to practice over all the services and we are going to learn. So you have to just select and you complete the sign up. So now your AWS account is ready to work. You can explore AWS services and you can come up with me and start learning the AWS services. I'm running with 30 days of AWS cloud journey where you can come up and learn all the AWS cloud services like EC2, S3, Lambda, VPCs, and all those particular things. See you soon. If you have any issue, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.